Hello everyone, today we introduce our maintenance tank for you. The tank model is S2100. This tank is suitable for many accent printers. You can see the sponge inside and the beside compatible chips. For this tank, our package comes for the gloves to keep your operation clean, and these transparent bags you can put the used maintenance tank into it to avoid ink pollution. We also have the related maintenance tank chips and sponge. You can see that all the chips loaded with letters for SC13MB. We accept bulk orders. Our customer order 100-piece chips for once. We also accept large bulk orders. Welcome for your message.